What is up, everybody? Welcome to Repair Sprout YouTube channel, and in today's 5 digital marketing strategies for restoration companies video, you're going to learn of 5 ways you can start generating leads for a restoration company online. So we're going to walk you through 5 different methods you can start using to generate more restoration leads for your business, starting from today. So if you're selling water damage repair, fire damage repair, mold removal services, so this video is specifically for restoration companies, and you want to generate more leads online, then this video is perfect for you. Some of these methods can start producing results pretty quickly, but require a bigger upfront investment, while others require more of a time investment, so they require more time than money, but the payoff is worth the wait. So before we jump in, I want to let you know that if you take a look at the description of this video, at the top of the description, you'll find a few links. The first link will be for a page where you can sign up for a free website audit. It will be the page on our website. And what we will do is, once we receive your request, we will analyze your website, find opportunities to grow your website's traffic and the lead volume you're receiving from that website using SEO, so free traffic from Google. And we will provide you with what you need to do, how to actually grow that traffic, and how to generate more leads from a website with SEO. We'll provide you with what you need to do via a checklist, all right? And everything will be absolutely for free. The next link will be for our Facebook group. You can join our Facebook group. We have set up a community specifically for business owners in the restoration industry to learn digital marketing for free. And the last link will be for a consultation call if you're interested in working with us. So those links will be at the very top of the description. Check them out if you're interested. And with that out of the way, let's dive right into the presentation. Alright, so method number 1 is local services ads. So local services ads, or LSAs for short, are the type of ads that show up on Google when a user searches for a local service. And this is exactly how they look like. So you'll see these little ads over here. You'll see this Google Guaranteed badge. You'll see reviews and all of that stuff. So LSAs are incredibly convenient both for the advertiser and the user. The user has a chance to enter exactly what job he needs and where he needs it done. And the advertiser only pays upon receiving that information. Or, in other words, you only pay for leads. So LSAs are very trustworthy for the user because of the Google Guarantee. So Google Guarantee is a program where businesses are basically verified by Google. Their legitimacy is verified by Google, right? So they're like a real business and they can really fulfill on what they're advertising, right? So that is what Google Guarantee program is. So why use LSAs? LSAs appear first in the search results. Once a customer clicks on the LSA you're running, they will view your business profile. You will only pay for verified leads upon that. So upon receiving, when running ads, sorry about that. So this is how an LSA interface looks like when a user clicks on one of them. So or they have a chance to search directly from here, and they can select an area. And pretty much this is how it looks like, and it's really simple. But as you can see, a user can see a review, how many reviews do they have, what type are they, like all good reviews, when they're open, and all of these things you can enter over here. And you have an option to either call a business or you can message them. So some of them will only have a call option, but that's not really important. So customers can call you and message you, and you can view all your leads inside one dashboard. And additional information you can see is their name, job type, location, and when do they want the job completed. So you can see if it's urgent or if they can wait a few days. So emergency services are easier to sell with LSAs. However, users need their job done now at the very moment of calling you, so make sure you follow up with them pretty quickly. So the only con I have with LSAs is that they're not really available in our areas. Even though Google is really pushing these lately, they're still not available in every single area, local area. So keep that in mind. But if they are, make sure you check. But if they are, start running these right away. These are pretty automated as well, so you don't really need to manage a lot of things when it comes to LSAs, like you, for example, need with text ads, which we'll get into. But these are pretty automated as well, and you only pay for leads. So if you haven't tried LSAs before, make sure you do. But moving on with our list, the next strategy is call-only ads. So call ads are the type of ads that show up in Google search results, and they enable a user to directly call a business by simply clicking on their ad. So this is how they look like, these call ads. So you will have a phone number over here and some text. That's it. It's pretty basic. But the user scrolls through the mobile device and see these ads. All right, and sees these ads, you can simply tap on the phone number that's displayed, and they will directly call a business. So they don't even have to visit a website to call a business. So call ads can only be seen on mobile, and they're great for more emergency services. So call ads remove one step from the conversion process, visiting your website. Usually the conversion process involves a user seeing an ad, clicking on an ad, landing on your website, and then calling your business. Call ads remove the third step, which is landing on your website, allowing people to get in touch with you more quickly. In today's world, the average person's attention span is pretty low. That's why you want to make it as fast and easy as possible for your prospects to reach you. And the only con I have with call ads is that they're only seen on devices that can perform calls, obviously. So this narrows down your reach, all right? So this is why you want to include them in your overall advertising strategy and not just rely on these ads, all right? So that's pretty much it when it comes to call ads. Next ads on our list are text search ads. These are the basic Google ads that you see everywhere, right? And this is how they look like. You've 100% seen them like a million times, right? And while LSAs and call ads are incredibly useful, that doesn't mean that the text ads don't have their place in your overall marketing strategy. Text ads show up when a user types in a relevant keyword. Water damage restoration, mold removal, and then the location. So for example, here we have typed mold removal, Washington, D.C. And all of these ads popped up because it's a pretty competitive area. So with text ads, not only can you display your website and business information, but you can also display your location, phone number, and people can call you directly from text ads as well on mobile devices. But they will view your mobile, they will be able to see your phone number, from a desktop device as well. Special offers, etc. So you can display all of these things over here, and we'll discuss these in a specific video. So make sure you subscribe to stay notified of when we upload that video and all our future uploads as well. Now, why use text ads? While call-only ads are incredibly convenient for some users, other people need more information. So water and fire damage repair costly services. People need to trust that you will do their job well. They may also want to compare prices. So having an ad that directs to your website enables a user to learn more about your business and then call you on the phone. All right. So for people needing more information, they will want to go and visit your website and see who you are. All right, and potentially compare you with your competitors. Right. So the only con I have with text ads is that you pay for all visitors, even those who immediately click off your website. So with LSAs, you pay for leads. With call-only ads, you pay for calls, right? But with text ads, you pay for all clicks, right? And you may also even be subject to click fraud, which occurs in competitive areas. And what click fraud is basically competitors sending fake traffic to your website, basically draining your budget. So you have to be prepared for that if you're in a competitive area, all right? But if you're not, if there's less competition in that area and people don't really know what Google's ads even are, most businesses still don't, then you probably won't experience this, but you'll still pay for all clicks, even those who do not convert. Now, just in case you like what you see so far, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, alright? It helps us see that these videos are in demand, and therefore it will motivate us to keep producing more of them. So if we see likes and people subscribing to our channel, that means that people find value in what we're doing over here and the content we publish, so it will motivate us to keep producing more awesome content. So also, if you need any help with LSAs, call ads, text ads, make sure to schedule a free consultation call with us. The link will be in the description of this video, as I've already mentioned. But if you don't want to do that, just join our Facebook group and ask whatever questions you might be having. All right? With that out of the way, let's move on. Strategy number 4 is create listings on directory sites. So websites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and others have millions of visitors every single month. Most of these visitors are looking for services, including yours. So these directories are free to sign up for. All right? Google My Business is also a listing you should create. Now, we'll get to Google My Business specifically, but let's cover the benefits of listings on, how many directories there are, thousands, right? So listings can have numerous benefits for your business. They can bring you traffic that Yelp and other directories are already getting. You can help your website rank higher. The listings you create can help your website rank higher because if you create like 50 or 100 listings on relevant directories, so not just any directory, but the directories relevant to your location and your industry, then Google will see that you're a real business, pretty much. So you can list your website on dozens of relevant directories, as I've just said, and they're free and easy to set up. Now, the con I have with this, just because they're free and easy to set up, setting up these listings is incredibly time consuming. So make sure you outsource this process. We'll leave the link to a website where you can outsource the process of setting up listings if you want. It's pretty cheap, and they do a pretty good job, that company that we are using personally to set up listings as well. So now let's get into Google My Business. Google My Business, GMB for short, is a free service offered by Google. It allows you to list your business information in the form of a listing. It's a special type of listing though, because Google My Business can become a very powerful asset for you. If you set it up right and get enough reviews, your listing will eventually appear in the search results. So over organic top 10 normal search results. So you will see these in the form of a so-called Google Map pack, where 3 maps results, or Google My Business results, show up above the standard top 10 results that are normal websites, right? So the increased rankings of a GMB listing will also increase the rankings of the website associated with that GMB listing. Hope that makes sense. So you can list your website, location, phone number, reviews, and more, right? And number 5 is, speaking of rankings, ranking for local keywords. So organic rankings can bring you free leads from Google search. The focus here is ranking for search results in your area, right? Unless you're a national brand, your goal shouldn't be to rank for mold removal, but for mold removal in your city or area. For example, over here, mold removal, Washington, D.C. And this is what we thought when we mentioned like map pack, all right? So these free results over here and then below are the standard top 10 results. But these will always appear first because Google is pushing these a lot. And their goal is to have people like to be able to create a platform where people can conduct business without ever leaving Google. That is their goal. Will they ever achieve that goal? We don't know, but they're currently really pushing GMB listings, right? And GMB listings, the one you create, a Google My Business listing, will only grow in value as the time passes. So now, why focus on ranking locally? Ranking for commercial keywords locally, like water damage restoration, Brooklyn, mold removal, Washington, D.C. These are just random examples, by the way. And similar keywords can bring you free leads every single month. You can rank organically in the top 3 GMB results and the top 10 results underneath. That means that there is an opportunity for you to take 2 out of 13 spots on the first page of Google. Note that over 25% of people using Google, click on the first organic search result alone, meaning the first website ranking on Google. So combine this with running LSAs and call or text ads, and you can build a powerful marketing system that could seriously increase the number of leads your business is getting every single month. All right. Now, the only con we have with ranking locally is that it's very difficult, especially if there's a lot of competition. In some area, it's not really that difficult, as it takes a lot of time. So that's That's probably the better way to say it. So it takes a lot of time, and it also takes a lot of work if you're in a competitive area as well. But if you manage to rank locally, it will pay off big time. And the ninja tip we have for you is to use as much of Google's assets as possible. Create a GMB profile, run ads, and optimize your website for organic rankings. The more of Google's assets you use, and if you use them the right way, the more you'll be rewarded with rankings. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you need more help, make sure to check out our website and schedule a call. A written version of this content will be available in the description of this video as well. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you appreciate this video. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.